Hello friends, you are warmly welcome. This is Oats Kitchen. I hope you are doing great. In today's video, we are making this super healthy oats fufu, the perfect alternative to cassava. And you know what? It's so easy to make. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. I have just finished washing up my 2 plantains because I don't want to transfer the dirt from outside to the inside. You don't know where these plantains have been traveling from. So after peeling it, I'm going to dice them into tiny cubes, to make blending easier because we don't want any lumps in the fufu. Okay, so once that's done, I'll just transfer everything into a blender and we are going to blend it smooth. Okay, so this is the proportion I go for. So with the oats, I just scoop 1 cup, not quite full, about 7 spoonfuls, and I'm going to add onto the plantain, shake it up so it levels up, and I'm going to fill it with water until it levels with the oats. If you are abroad and you don't have access to cassava easily, or you simply want to incorporate the goodness of oats into your daily meals, now you know. Especially if you like fufu and you eat it on a regular basis, now you can benefit from both worlds by adding oats to your fufu. So once on the hob, I'm going to continue to stir it, especially from the beginning, to prevent it forming into these small lumps, okay? So continue to stir and mash it against the side of your silver until it comes out nice and smooth like this. And once it is done, you can transfer it into your asanka and mold it into that nice shape. Look, so fine. Now look, our fufu is ready. Perfect texture. And that only means one thing, chop time. If you hurry, you might just catch me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, take care, stay blessed, and stay safe. Bye.